Hey, what's up everybody? I'm Charlie, and today I'm going to be showing you how to make my delicious homemade deviled eggs. This recipe makes about 24 individual eggs, enough to serve about 8 people. Not only is this recipe perfect for parties, but it's absolutely delicious. So without further ado, let's get started, shall we? Here is all what you will need to make your deviled eggs, and we're going to get started with our ingredients. You will need 1 dozen, that's 12 large eggs, and along with that you're going to need some mayonnaise, mustard, optional sweet relish, and for your seasonings you will need some salt, Tony Chachere's Creole seasoning. Now if you don't have this, you can use the Zatarain's Creole seasoning or the Slap Your Mama Creole seasoning. You will also need some Chef Paul Prudhomme's Poetry Magic, onion powder, garlic powder, and some cayenne pepper. To serve your deviled eggs, you're going to need a medium-sized plate or tray. And for your tools, this is optional. If you want to fill your stuffed eggs, you're going to need a Wilton number 32 or 18 tip with a coupler and a disposable piping bag, and this is optional to use for this recipe. And there we have it. Preheat your fire to medium-high heat. Here we have 2 quarts of water into a medium-sized pot. Let this come to a simmer. Add 12 large eggs. Let this come to a simmer first. Then you're going to let it simmer for 15 minutes. It's been about 15 minutes now, and our eggs are now done. Turn your fire off. Remove your eggs out of the pot. And place them into a bowl. Let these cool for about 10 minutes. Once the eggs have cooled, crack the bottom portion and the top portion of the egg. Peel the eggshell off of the egg while rinsing with cold water, and the shell should peel right off. Carefully cut down the center of each egg, going lengthwise. Remove the egg yolk. And place that into a separate bowl. And take your egg whites and place them onto your serving dish. Using a masher, mash the egg yolks. Add 1/3 cup of mayonnaise, 1 teaspoon of mustard, 2 tablespoons of sweet relish. Now let's add some seasoning. Sprinkle 1/8 teaspoon of salt, a 1/2 teaspoon of Tony Chachere's Creole seasoning, 1/4 teaspoon of Chef Paul Prudhomme's Poetry Magic, 1/4 teaspoon of onion powder, 1/4 teaspoon of garlic powder, and 1/4 teaspoon of cayenne pepper. Using a whisk or a spoon, stir all your ingredients together until well combined, or until the mixture is creamy and smooth. And this is how it looks when we're done. Now we're going to take our deviled egg filling and place this into our disposable piping bag. take your egg yolk mixture and pipe it into your egg white halves. You're going to fill about 24 of these egg white halves. Add as much as you like. And this is how it looks when we're done. Now, as a final garnish, lightly sprinkle either some Tony Chachere's Creole seasoning or some cayenne pepper on top of each stuffed egg. To store these eggs, place them into an airtight container and keep them in your refrigerator at all times. Now, you can store these in your refrigerator for about 3 to 4 days. Here is the final presentation. And there you have it. Homemade deviled eggs. If you like my channel, hit the subscribe button. Hit the bell button if you want to be notified of my videos. You can also check out this recipe along with all of my other recipes, as well as contact me or donate to the channel. Visit www.charliethecookandrews.com. You can also like, follow, or contact me on Facebook and on Instagram under the name Charlie the Cook Andrews. Stay tuned as Charlie's Taste Test is coming up next. Now it's time for Charlie's Taste Test. Oh man, look at this. Love deviled eggs. Classic. Man, that egg was nice and creamy, well seasoned, real soft, absolutely delicious. I'm telling y'all, try the recipe. It's really good. And that's it. I hope you all enjoyed the video. So until next time, take care, and I hope you all have a blessed day. Peace.